I want to plot this diagram and I want to extract the datasheet from it. First, let me extract all the documentation. Docs, select the diagram, enter. And the documents can be linked to component, external port, accessory, system accessory. You can check all in order to get all the documentation linked. You click next. HyDraw CAD is finding all the datasheet linked to the components, and datasheet could be local, stored in your library, or they can be online in the Fluid Power Tools library. You can click OK, and then you can save your datasheet. Let me put them here, JC. Okay, and this command will download the datasheet or take the datasheet wherever they are located and put in your design folder. This can help with preparing technical documentation for all your system. And I need to plot. This is a template, standard template I use, and if you don't have, please ask. It has been shared in the first webinar we made last month, and that's an A2. I just remember I can see it. I have also the template with imperial units A, B, C, D, E size. No problem. I go to A2, and that's a preview of my schematic. I can right-click and plot, and I have two options here. One is the full monochrome, and with a preview, I can view how the diagram is plotted, but I want to show you the other one. It's the line color and the preview, and I want to plot it and save it to my desktop. Let's always JC, that's a webinar plot. Save. The diagram will be open in my PDF environment. And the PDF, by using those settings, is smart. You can search for items like I want item 301, and it is able to find the items and highlight in the drawing. And it has also all the layers, so it is possible to switch on and off items according to which layers. So for instance, you don't want all the text, that's done just with one click directly in the PDF. This is handy. The quality is very high if you use the PDF, DWG to PDF printer. And the file size is very, very small.